December 25, 2020, Merry Christmas!
Hi everyone, good morning. Once again, this is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. I'm located at the Secretariat right now, but I'm on my way to Hisor for the hot air balloon. So in an hour, I will be on the hot air balloon and I'll be flying for 10 minutes with us today. So please keep on watching and Merry Christmas, by the way. It's December 25 right now. So for everyone in the Philippines, maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon. For all the Russians out there, Счастливого, Rождества, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.
We are in Joshua's car right now, traveling to Hisar. So I'm with Joshua and Maruf. For those who do not know Maruf, he is our brother in Dushanbe, Tajikistan, and he belongs to our first family here, the Rajabovs, located at the Stari Airport. We've lived there for 4 years, me and Joshua. And his brother Sharif is with my mom in the Philippines right now. So we are traveling to Hisar. Please travel with us, have fun. The video that you can see right now is the road that leads to Hisar proper. Then going to Hisar, actually you can travel with two options as usual, the luxury and the budget. So if you want the budget trip, you can go to Zarnisor area, then grab a taxi there. So per person, you just need to pay 5 somoni, and that taxi will bring you from Dushanbe to Hisar. But if you want to hire the taxi or rent the taxi by yourself, you can pay 50 somoni one way, nobody inside the car, and it's only be you there. Then from Hisar Center or the Hisar proper, you take another taxi that will bring you to Hisor or the fortress of Hisar. So from the terminal in Hisar going to Hisor, again, it's 5 somoni per person. And if you want to rent the whole taxi by yourself, without anybody there, you just pay 20 somoni. The whole taxi by itself will be yours and it can bring you directly to Hisor or the Hisar Castle. So those are the two ways for you to travel from Dushanbe going to Hisor, especially the Hisor Tower. For those tourists who are in Tajikistan right now, or for everyone who's planning to visit Tajikistan, I highly recommend you to visit the Hisor Fortress. Why? Because Hisor Fortress is very symbolic when it comes to the history of this country. It used to be the wall that guards the people against the enemies. And until now, this fortress stands there beautifully, showing its magnificent beauty to all of the visitors. So the entrance somoni to the Hisor is only 10 somoni or $1. When you go inside, you pay 10 somoni, then you can explore the whole place whole day. Then there is also the horseback riding. Then there is the hot air balloon and taking of pictures. There are also games. There are also museums and shops where you can buy souvenirs. In summertime, Hisar is also known for the sweetest melon in the whole world. It's really true without exaggeration. It is in Tajikistan where I tasted the very sweet melon. It's as sweet as a sugar. And even my friends who went and visited Tajikistan, Ate Badet, Cheryl, they also tasted the sweetest melon here. What you can see in the video right now is the entrance to Hisar. This is the boundary which separates Dushanbe and the Hisar proper. So take back, sit, relax, and enjoy our trip to Hisar. The video that you can see right now is just after the crossroads, and we are approaching the tea house made of melon. So when you are looking right now in the video, please pay attention on the left side. You will be seeing one very beautiful tea house with a very big melon as the roof, and that is the best tea shop in Hisar. There is the tastiest food. It's actually a tea house and a restaurant. And there you go. Take a look at that. Yes, we are passing by the melon roof tea house. Have you seen that, guys? We are now entering the city center of Hisar. So welcome to the beautiful and the historical city of Hisor. So the video that you can see right now is the main road that leads to the terminal. Just approximately 5 minutes from now, we will be there. So take a look at the video carefully. And when you cross or turn left, you will be at the terminal. When you turn right, you will be at the B1 shopping center. The Faridun Learning Center is also at the right side. We have Faridun Learning Center, Hisar there. And we have the Shodi restaurants also there. Shomi Shodi. So there on the video, we are entering the Tajik Sodirot Bank and the city center of Hisar. On the video, you can see approximately 100 meters from where we are right now is the terminal that I've been mentioning earlier. So if you're coming from Dushanbe, the 5 Somoni taxi will bring you at this terminal. Take a look, everyone, on the left. That's the terminal that I've been talking about earlier. So just pay 5 Somoni and it will bring you directly at this terminal. So if you want to proceed going to Kalay Hisor or the fortress or the castle of Hisar, from this exact terminal, you need to pay 5 Somoni. If you travel alone, budgetly, then this 5 Somoni taxi will bring you to the Kalay Hisor or the fortress of Hisar. If you want the luxury option, just book a cab for 20 Somoni or $2 and alone, the taxi will bring you directly to Kalay Hisor. The next video that I'll be showing you is our arrival at the Hisor Fortress.
Hi everyone, once again this is Hannah and welcome back. Right now I'm in Kalay Hisor and it's located in Hisar area. Let's go! Let's go! So this is the beautiful castle of Hisar. The best place in Tajik. Welcome! Bye!
When you enter the gate, you will be paying 10 Somoni. Then after you paid, walk right there. Then this is the view that you will be seeing from the entrance itself. So take a look at the video. Everywhere you can see the beautiful place. Then on the left would be the stadium. Then on the right would be the horseback riding area. And for people who want to experience the horseback riding, it's really cheap. You just need to pay 1 Somoni or 10 Somoni for a 10-minute horseback riding adventure.
Now that I'm preparing the hot air balloon, then in an hour, I will be on that hot air balloon. So I'm excited!
While waiting for the hot air balloon to be set up, me, Joshua, and Maruf decided to try the horseback riding. So we bravely went there, then we paid 1 horse per person, then we rode. We took turns in riding the horse. So it was first Joshua who had his turn in the horseback riding adventure. Then after Josh, it was Maruf. Then finally me. We really enjoyed our horseback riding activity. That was fun because first, it was cheap. Second, it was something that we did for the first time. Like for me, I've never tried horseback riding because I'm afraid. But the people there or the guides, they told us to enjoy.
Yakum baryo ne. Amin siya.
The next videos, I'll be showing you how I bravely rode the horse. At first, Joshua encouraged me that I can do that. And finally, I decided to jump off, then sat on the horse. And there was the guide who was very accommodating, and he was very gentle in telling me that you can do that, do not be afraid, just enjoy and I'll be here. And Maruf was the one holding the camera here because he wanted me to capture everything. Of course, I will not miss the chance to advertise my YouTube channel. Even if I was afraid, I took the chance to say,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos.
at this point, I was no longer afraid. I was enjoying it and I just had fun. I took every minute and moment while I was on the horse as a fun adventure for me to remember. And once again, I tried to advertise my YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe, Teacher Hannah Dakara on YouTube.
And of course, I will not forget to promote Tajikistan. Tajikistan, feel the friendship.
Visit Tajikistan, one of the best countries in the whole world.
At this point, the guide was trying to let the horse run and I was afraid. Thanks goodness, my trip come to an end.
Thanks for watching.
The video that I'm showing you right now are the small shops where you can buy souvenirs, take a photo, and grab some stuff there for remembrance. And this is the whole view also of the Kalai Hisor from the inside. So once again, if you are in Tajikistan or planning to visit Tajikistan, please don't forget to drop by Kalai Hisor or the Fortress of Hisar. We also had a sumptuous lunch at Shomisadi.
Hi everyone, we're having lunch right now at Shomisadi, and it's the best restaurant in Hisar. So we have orange, So that's the end of our Hisor journey. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos. Bye!
Special thanks to Joshua for driving me all along to Hisar, and to Maruf for accompanying us whole day, and to my director for allowing me to have one day rest for the Christmas season. Thank you for watching, everyone. I love you all.